How to get back a hacked Instagram account. In order to do that, you need to head over and forgot your password. So on some cases, the hackers will also reset your password. So just head over and then click on this forgot password right here in order to retrieve the access of your account. Just enter in here your username, email, or phone number. So you can actually enter in here the things that are connected to your account and click on continue. However, if there's an error like that, just click on this can't reset your password right here, and then you will be redirected to a new link or to a new page wherein you can reset your account. So if on some cases you have actually get a 6-digit code, you can head over right here to your Gmail and then just look for the email from Instagram. So the email from Instagram will actually show you the actual code just like this one, and you just need to enter it from in here once you have reset your password. So that's how you get back a hacked Instagram account. Hope we helped.